How to improve yourself, limit your TV time, learn a new language, read a book every day, have a weekly exercise routine, learn to deal with difficult people, set a goal, and list steps to achieve it. You don't always need a plan, sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. The real strength is healing yourself without becoming like those who traumatized you. How your life feels is more important than how it looks. Never blame anyone in your life. The good people give you happiness, the bad people give you experience, the worst people give you a lesson, the best people give you memories. The key to a positive, joyful life is willpower. It makes you choose courage over fear, faith over doubt, hope over despair. Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. Accept the pain and get ready for success. Instead of trying to understand life, we must live it, create a reason to live, and progress on that path every day. Life is short, time is fast, no replay, no rewind. Enjoy every moment as it comes. Believe good things are on the way. Don't quit, life can go from 0 to 100 very quickly. Don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done. Don't wait for perfect, start now and improve. Dreams become reality when thoughts become action. Keep pushing forward, the finish line is near. Be yourself because an original is worth more than a copy. If you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow. Cutting someone completely off from your life is sometimes necessary for your peace. Don't feel guilty for it. Three simple rules in life. Number one, if you don't go after what you want, you will never have it. Number two, if you don't ask, the answer is always no. Number three, if you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Embrace challenges as stepping stones, failures as lessons, and every moment as an opportunity for growth. Your journey is a canvas. Paint it with the colors of resilience, determination, and unwavering belief in your limitless potential. Patience is a key element of success. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. Life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. Understanding is deeper than knowledge. There are many people who know you, but there are very few who understand you. Sometimes you need to step outside, get some air, and remind yourself of who you are and who you want to be. Never stop trying, never stop believing, and never give up. Your day will come. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. Think big, trust yourself, and make it happen. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. 9 ways to improve life. Work out, invest in yourself, always add value, construct a future, control your reactions, don't give what others say, be better than yesterday, keep your promises, and always be kind. Don't see others doing better than you. Beat your own records every day because success is a fight between you and yourself. To improve yourself, read a book every day, learn a new language, let go of the past, pick up a new hobby, watch less TV, quit a bad habit each week, avoid negative people, try to identify your flaws, have a weekly exercise routine, set a 5-year goal and list the steps to achieve it. Hard work does not make you rich. If hard work made you rich, then every construction worker would be a billionaire. Your two greatest assets in life, health and time. Invest in your health, it will buy more time. Life is short, spend it with people who make you laugh and feel loved. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come. When life is difficult and when everything turns bad, always remember that even a turtle can finish a race as long as he never gives up. Your direction is more important than your speed. Positive thoughts attract positive results in everything you do. Sometimes in life everything goes smoothly and sometimes unexpected happens. The important thing knowing how to turn problems into opportunities. A small dot can stop a big sentence, but a few more dots can give continuity. Amazing but true, every ending can be a new beginning. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe for more.